There's a warm breeze blowing, there's lightning in the sky. Just another monsoon summer night in July. And you can smell the rain as the clouds are turning gray. Sometimes the beauty here can take your breath away. Take it away. My home's in Arizona, it's where I was born and raised. The more time I spend here, the more I'm amazed. With sunsets like no other, it's like a fire in the sky, and it'll make you feel an Arizona high. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Arizona's calling. I said, oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Arizona's calling you home. In the mountains where growing tall ponderosa pine, and the Grand Canyon leaves them standing in line. And in the valley we're shoveling sunshine all winter long. Yeah, we're the envy of the country till that summer sun comes on so strong. And those springtime orange blossoms, don't they smell so sweet? And it's worth the drive to see those leaves change in Oak Creek. There's a spirit here out west that's calling you and me.